Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing great. One of my all-time favorite products are Built Bars, and they just came out with the most incredible, delicious puffs that are so yummy, high protein, and low fat and a lower sugar option. And so it's nice and healthy to have something that you can have as a snack or a treat. Now, when I first started making my videos, I made ice cream sandwiches. So I thought that I would come up with a strawberry puff ice cream sandwich. How does that sound? Just ridiculously easy, but high protein and yummy. So let's get started. What are you gonna need? All right, so I love Pizzelle cookies, all right? And they're only 1 smart point each, and I got the chocolate ones, and I'm using 2. Now, if you want to make lots of these, you can double, triple, quadruple, and then keep them in your freezer and have them when you want, all right? Of course, the puffs, the Built Bar puffs that are super yummy, I like keeping them in the freezer, and they're easier to cut, and I cut up 1/3 into just little tiny bite size, and that's 1 smart point. For an entire bar is 3 smart points. You want to use more, by all means, use more, okay? Because, you know, why not? It's versatile, my recipes. I just sliced up 1 beautiful strawberry into little tiny pieces, and for the ice cream part, I love ultralight Cool Whip. But I added a little bit, just about a teaspoon, so 3 tablespoons of Cool Whip with about a teaspoon or more of some cocoa powder. And my favorite is cocoa berry cocoa powder, and I get it at Costco. All right, so I've just taken my 2 Pizzelles, and I'm gonna just take some Cool Whip. This is so easy. And if you wanna eat it right away just like this, you can. You want to use more Cool Whip, you can. You want to add other things, of course, you know, you can. You want to use some nuts, or you want to use some sprinkles. And it's so much fun to make just for yourself or for your kids. I'm going to add the strawberries next. Just, you know, sprinkle on some strawberries. Okay. And then, of course, dun, da, 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 the beautiful puffs. And I'm going to do another one, put on some strawberries because I want the puffs to show. So if you want to close it, you can close it, or you can keep them open, put them in a sealed container or on a cookie sheet first so that they can freeze. Or again, you can just eat it like this, my friends, because they are amazing. So, and then, of course, I just made my plate look pretty with a few extra marshmallows and some strawberries. So I'll bring it up close to you guys so you can see this delicious, easy, fast, nutritious, high protein. Look at that, okay? Come on. Who wouldn't want to eat that? So again, if you're on WW Wellness That Works, the whole recipe is going to be 4 smart points, and unless you add other things to it, of course, okay? So again, you can keep it open-faced, you can close it, put it in your freezer. I love them just like this, and enjoy. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you'd change it up. Comment below. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe and share my recipes with everyone. My Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, and on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. And don't forget, use my code Risa to buy these delicious Built Bars. And they have so many products. So I'm using strawberry for this, but they have coconut puffs, they have vanilla puffs, and then they have a variety of flavors of Built Bars, Built Boost, and Built Protein, and bone broth, all right? Chicken and beef bone broth. So you won't regret it. You will love all of their products, okay? So take care. Mwah. Bye for now, and we'll talk to you soon.